So today I will tell you about the dangerous side effects of Arthoco S tablet. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafi. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I'm a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert, and you're watching Rafi Healthcare Channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Arthoco S and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is artoglyphlozin and sitagliptin. It's a 5 mg plus 100 mg tablet. Artoglyphlozin here it is in 5 mg concentration and sitagliptin it is in 100 mg tablet. So it's a combination of these. Basically Arthoco S is an anti-diabetic medicine and its manufacturer is Atco Laboratories and it is used to treat type 2 diabetes mellitus, and it is used to treat it lowers the blood sugar level. It is also used to reduce HbA1c levels, sugar levels, and also fasting sugar, and also post meal sugars also. It is used with diet and exercise. It is usually in combination with the lifestyle modification, that is diet and exercise. It lowers the blood sugar level effectively. So it's a very good and effective medicine. Now I will tell you about its common and dangerous side effects. So let's go to its side effects. It can cause frequent urination. It can cause increase in thirst. The patient can also complain of the headache, dizziness, nasopharyngitis, that is like cold-like symptoms. Also, patient may complain of nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Patient may also complain of the fatigue, mild weight loss, which is a little weight loss, but it causes weight loss. Now, on the serious side effect, the most dangerous side effect of it is its own use. It lowers the blood sugar level. So if it lowers too much sugar level, it may cause patient to go in coma and it may cause death. So it's a very dangerous side effect of this medicine. That's why it's a prescription medicine. It is only given on prescription. That's why always consult your physician and pharmacist before using these medicines, because they have a lot of severe side effects and dangerous side effects. Okay, its consequences are more if you misuse it or do not use it properly according to the dose. Okay, always use it with precaution. Okay, now let's continue. It can cause hypoglycemia, as I have already told you that it lowers blood sugar level. The patient may complain of the symptoms like sweating, shaking, confusion, palpitation, and fainting. Also, it can cause urinary tract infection or also genital infection. Also, patient may complain that she may have urinary tract infection, itching. Okay, they may complain that they are having burning during urination and itching in genitals, discharge, and also pain in the pelvic area. Okay, so it can also cause genital and urinary tract infection. This is also a dangerous side effect of it. It can also cause diabetic ketoacidosis, which is also a severe and a serious side effect of it, and it can also cause patient to die, or it can lead to patient to lead to death. It can cause, in which the patient may complain of the severe nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, rapid breathing, and fruity breath smell. So this is also one of the dangerous side effects of this medicine. It can also cause dehydration. It lowers the sugar level, so ultimately blood pressure will also go down. It also affects kidneys of the patient. It can cause reduced urine output, and it can cause swelling of it. It can cause increased creatinine levels, so it affects the kidney also. It also affects pancreas. It can cause pancreatitis. It is caused due to the sitagliptin drug. Okay, in which patient may complain of the severe upper abdominal pain and also persistent vomiting. Okay, so these were the dangerous side effects. So if we summarize the dangerous side effect of this medicine, which are that it can lower blood sugar level. It can cause hypoglycemia, which is very dangerous. It can also cause diabetic ketoacidosis, which is also a severe dangerous condition. It can cause dehydration and lowers the blood pressure. It can also affect our essential organs like kidney and our pancreas too. Okay, so these were the dangerous side effects. It can also cause genital and urinary tract infections too. Okay, and if we talk about the common side effects, in which it cause headache, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and also frequent urination, nasopharyngitis, and also other side effects. So these were the dangerous side effects of this medicine. Now the question arises that if this medicine has so many side effects like this, then why the hell we are using this medicine, and why it is still used in the market. So let me be clear about it. This medicine is very effective medicine, and its basically benefits outweighs its side effects. That's why it's still in the market and it's being sold to the patient and prescribed to the patient. It has a number of advantages, and it very effectively lowers the blood sugar level and controls the blood sugar level. Okay, so it's a very good and effective medicine, and if we analyze it, that its benefits are more as compared to its side effects. Okay, it has more benefits and potential benefits. That's why it's still in the market and being used. Okay, so and now the another question is that if there is so many side effects, how can we prevent it? So the answer is very simple. Always consult your physician and pharmacist before using this kind of medicine, because they analyze, they make your complete treatment, and they already analyze that this medicine will cause this side effect, so we give according to counter these side effects. Okay, so always consult your physician and pharmacist. So I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share my video too. If you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, drop in the comment section. I will reply you. And now take care of yourself, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and take care.